Hey, what's going on? Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to use just a quick demonstration on the Snap-on Polartek hybrid machine. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So you got your two lines right here, the regular normal fittings. Just clamp them on, twist them to open them. That's why I bought this machine. Show you how easy it is. Vehicle database. If it's got a readable sticker, I'll just enter it in manually. Volkswagen measures in grams, and this way I don't have to do a conversion. I'll just go through here. Get a Touareg 2004. It's at 1.65 pounds. Enter. Put the plate number. This is one of my vehicles. I'm not going to do that, but it'll put it on the receipt if you want it to. It's telling you to open up the valves, which so clockwise is open, counterclockwise is closed. It's kind of backwards from everything else, but enter. And that's it. Now you're just gonna wait. It's gonna pull whatever's in there out, do a vacuum, and put the good stuff back in. I just gotta wait until that light changes, and I come over on hook, and that's it. That's why I spent the big bucks, nice and easy. Now I can go do a different job while this makes me money. So if you think about buying this thing, I've had it since the beginning of the summer. I would definitely recommend it. I know there's cheaper options out there, but this is quick and easy, good warranty, and I've had good luck so far. So I hope this guy treats me well for many years, because it wasn't cheap. But we'll see what happens. I'll do a follow-up video if it explodes.